The Ford 6-lug wheel spacers are components that increase the track weight. The wider track enlarges the support surface of the vehicle, hence improving the performance in the curve.
The spacer pushes your wheels outward, creating a wider trackway. The wider stance also improves cornering and reduces body roll. Another common concern are wheel spacers safe. Safety depends entirely on quality. Cheap, poorly made wheel spacers can cause vibrations or even failure. This is why choosing a hub-centric wheel spacer is critical. A hub-centric design makes sure the load is evenly distributed across the hub, preventing strains on wheel studs and giving you a smoother, safer ride.
BONOSS Wheel spacer with multi-stage hub-centric design. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the devils is the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub, eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data.
BONOSS Wheel spacers are crafted from 7075-T6 and 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties.
With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. With this outstanding advantage, it's clear that BONOSS Ford wheel spacers offer exceptional safety, durability, and professionalism. Whether you are upgrading the aesthetics or improving the handling, choosing BONOSS wheel spacers ensures that you are getting a product that meets the highest standards of performance and quality.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.